Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Creating and selling digital products online has become highly accessible and profitable venture, especially with the synergistic power of Canva and ChatGPT. These tools allow you to design professional products, automate content creation, and get them ready for sale with remarkable efficiency. Here is a comprehensive guide on how to use Canva and ChatGPT to create, automate, and sell digital products online. First of all, we need ideation and content generation with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is your ultimate content brainstorming and creation partner. Now we will start with niche and product idea brainstorming. For instance, I have a prompt example here. Generate 5 unique angles for an ebook about this topic: sustainable living solves a common problem. You can refine and validate. Ask ChatGPT to elaborate on ideas, identify potential target audiences, and even suggest pricing strategies based on similar products. Now let's get to content outlining and structuring. Once you have a product idea, for instance, an ebook for my case, I'll just use this. You can also have a content calendar, you can have some workshop templates or workshop workbook. Use ChatGPT to build its structure. A prompt example is this: create a detailed outline for a 20-page ebook titled, I'll just give animation here, including an introduction, 5 core chapters with subsections, a conclusion, and a call to action. And just wait for it to design that. Drafting core content is also key here. ChatGPT can draft sections of your product. Remember, it's a starting point. You'll need to review, refine, and add your unique voice and expertise. Prompt example is this: write a 500-word introduction for an ebook on this topic. So you'll just give it a topic here, random topic, addressing common pain points and setting expectations for what the reader will learn. Refinement here is that you'll need to ask ChatGPT to make it more concise, expand on this point, change the tone to professional or friendly or humorous, or add a call to action as well. Now, sales copy and marketing material is also here. Don't forget the copy needed to sell your product. For our prompt example is here. Create 3 social media captions for Instagram, Facebook, X to announce the launch of ebook product. Use emojis and relevant hashtags. Let ChatGPT handle that. Now let's get to the designing your digital product with Canva. Canva brings your ChatGPT generated content to life visually. Go to canva.com right here. I have it open. And once in here, you'll need to choose the right format or template. For ebooks and guides, just search for ebook or guide here or presentation templates. Remember to customize them heavily. You can also search for planners if at all that was your goal. Planners, journals, workbooks. Search for planner or journal or workbook right here at the search bar. You can also search for templates for sale, e.g., Instagram templates, Notion templates. You can also search for worksheets. You can also search for checklists. So just search for them in here. I will search for ebook, as you can see, and just go ahead and choose what you wanted. Now you can go ahead and import and populate the content. Copy and post the refined content from ChatGPT directly into a Canva design. Use the text tool to add headings, subheadings, and body text. Now design for professionalism and readability. Layout and visual hierarchy. Here you need to use the templates tabs for shapes, lines, and icons to break up text, highlight key points, and create visual interest. You can also employ grids and frames. You can also ensure generous white space to make your content easy on the eyes. Imagery is also key. Upload your own relevant photos or canvas or use Canva's extensive stock photo or video library. Consistency is also key. Maintain a consistent color palette, font styles, and graphic elements throughout your entire product. Interactive elements like PDFs add hyperlinks to internal pages, external sources, or your website using the link tool. Now review and refine. Just proofread. While ChatGPT is powerful, it can make some errors. Just review, and then you can also download a draft PDF to see how it looks, check for readability, and for feedback. If possible, get a fresh pair of eyes to review your product as well. Now let's export your digital product. The correct export format is crucial for digital products. Click the share button right here in the top right corner and then click on download. File type is also key for PDF standard, best for most digital products like ebooks, planners, guides, checklists, and worksheets. You can also choose PDF print. We also have PNG and JPG for image-based products like social media templates where the buyer will edit in Canva. Digital art or individual graphic elements, you can just choose PNG or JPG. Now automating and selling your digital products as well. So once your product is designed, it's time to sell it and make some money. This is your selling platform. These are some of the marketplaces which is just good for beginners. Etsy is one of them. It is popular for printables, templates, digital art, and craft related digital products. It has high traffic, but competition can be stiff. We have Gumroad as well, which is excellent for creators, very easy to set up, flexible pricing. We also have all in one platforms, which has more control and scalability. We have an example of Podia, which is ideal for courses, memberships, and digital downloads. We also have Payhip, Selfie, your own website, e.g., WordPress with WooCommerce and Shopify are other examples. Now set up product listing. You can add some compelling descriptions. Use your chat GPT here as well to generate sales copy to write clear, benefit driven product descriptions. Pricing, you can also research competitor pricing. You can also now automate delivery. All the reputable digital product platforms like Gumroad, Podia have digital download capabilities which handle automated delivery. Once a customer purchases, the platform automatically sends them a download link or access instructions. We also have some marketing and promotion tips here. Just use social media, use Canva for visually appealing Instagram posts, TikTok videos, Pinterest pins, and Facebook ads. Use ChatGPT for captions and hashtags. We also have email marketing. Just use ChatGPT to draft email sequences for product launches, lead magnets, that is for free buys to attract subscribers, and nurturing your audience. We also have SEO here. If selling on your own website, use ChatGPT for keyword research to optimize your product descriptions and blog posts. Content marketing is also key. Create blog posts, videos, or podcasts. Content ideas generated by ChatGPT, visuals designed in Canva, driving traffic to your sales page. So, by seamlessly integrating ChatGPT for content and Canva for design, you can create a robust system for producing high quality digital products and establishing a profitable online business. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.